So the cabin air filter for the Hyundai Tucson is behind the glove box, but you have to take the glove box down in order to do that. So you un- open those, and here we have a clip that holds it up. You pull the clip off, and it slides down. To get to the filter itself, there is this cover that holds it in. It has two pinches right there. You pinch them together and pull it out, and voila, here is the air filter. And it shows you in the arrow which way it needs to be pointing when you replace it. The part is 97133D3200. I'll put a link down in the description for where I got it on Amazon. This filter needs changing. This is the new filter, and as you can see, totally different than the previous filter. I have the airflow down, and then now we just have to replace the cover in, click. Next step, replacing pieces, and replace these guys. You move it back up and align and clockwise turn, and the same on the other side. And that's it.